Gotta taste this soup.
A massive winter storm threatens power outages and a travel nightmare.
Already a state of emergency declared.
As this winter powerhouse targets an already snow-covered mid-Atlantic, we'll have continuing coverage. Stay with the Weather Channel, the Severe Weather Authority.
Join me for Cantori Stories.
Sunday night at 10 on the Weather Channel. Now you're local on the 8s.
A winter storm warning is in effect for our area. Here's our local Doppler radar. For tonight, snow and gusty winds. Snow will become heavy late, some blowing and drifting snow. Low 27. Winds northeast at 20 to 30 miles per hour. 8 to 12 inches of snow expected. And on Saturday, periods of snow and windy. High 27. 3 to 5 inches of snow expected. And Saturday night, a few clouds early, but generally clear. Low 12. Our week ahead.
Snow coming down in Washington, D.C. You'll be under a blizzard warning as of 10 o'clock this evening, all day long tomorrow, and until 10 o'clock tomorrow night. The snow just obscuring the Capitol, all lit up in the background. As it starts to fall a little harder, you might not be able to see it from this vantage point. We'll keep you up to date on live reports here throughout the evening from our nation's capital. If you